Hey there, it's Odette Peak at odettepeak.com. I want to show you in this quick little video on how to make thousands of dollars at your local networking event. Now, as an entrepreneur, I'm going to presume that you're out there networking. For my coaching business, I started my business by getting out there networking, and I went everywhere. And in that first year, I generated over $100,000 in my business just by networking. So I want to give you a couple of tips and strategies on how you can too. Now, I'm a big believer that speaking is the fastest way to grow your business and sharing your story and doing it all from the comfort of the front of the room, especially at your local networking event. So I'm going to walk you through 3 quick and dirty scenarios on how you can make some extra money speaking at your local networking event. All right, so I'm going to make an assumption here that your local networking event has, let's say, 30 people. All right, and there's 30 people there, and you get an opportunity to jump up in front of the room for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and usually they're really relaxed and they're not formal speaking gigs, but they're golden opportunities to make a ton of money. So 30 people come to the event. Now, what I recommend that you do is you have a gift offer of some type. A lot of networking events don't allow you to make a paid offer of some type, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So number one is you want to make a gift offer, which is something for free. So maybe it's a PDF download or an audiobook or something along those lines. Typically, most people say yes to something for free. Now, let's just say, for argument's sake, you've got 25 people that say yes to your gift offer. You now have an extra 25 people in your pipeline, in your on your list, and they're followers and fans of you because now you're going to nurture them with amazing content on a regular basis. So you've now just increased your list by 25 people. So let's say at this local networking event, you decide to make an offer for an event that you have of your own. And it could be a half day, or maybe it's a full day workshop. And let's put a simple price point of $47. So you're going to be charging $47 for someone to attend your event, which is great. Now, the rule of thumb is that you have about a 1 in 3 people say yes to your offer. About 30% of a room will say yes to you. Now, so 1 in 3 out of 30 people is 10 people. So 10 people are going to say yes to your $47 offer. You have now made $470 inside of a 5-minute talk. That's pretty rock solid. That's awesome. So what I want to do now is I want to take a look at how many times you can go networking in a given month. Let's say, for argument's sake, you're going to go 3 times in a month. So you now take your same offer, you do the same thing, and now you're going to have 75 people that are going to be on your list. And you are now going to make that same offer, and you're going with the 1 in 3 scenario with 30 people. You now have 30 people in your coming to your event, and you have now just made about $1,400, and I think it's $10, $1,410 from 3 networking events that you just literally jumped up in front of the room and spent a couple of minutes telling people who you are, what you do, and making a really cool offer. Now, I want to take you to that actual live event that you just charged $47 for. Okay, so let's say you have 50 people coming to your event. Okay, so that's awesome. Once again, you want to make sure that you nurture them with great content, maybe offer another gift for free, and you're going to get you're going to offer them a free gift, and they're going to opt into your list. So let's say, for argument's sake, you've got 45 people saying yes to that free gift. Now, they may be the same people or they may not be, but what you're doing is you're adding extra value and content to the group of people. Like, everybody wants something or likes to have something for free. So this is a really golden opportunity to strengthen that relationship. Because at the networking events, they may be coldish or maybe warm leads, but when they come to your event, they're going to be a lot hotter. So giving them anything extra for free is an absolute bonus and an opportunity for you to continue that relationship. So out of the 50 people that are there, you're now going to make a bigger paid offer. So let's say your event is a half day to a full day, and you're going to make an offer of $497, which is totally in alignment with the longer you have them, the higher price point you can make an offer for. So we're going to use the 1 in 3 rule of people saying yes to your offer. So that's 16.66 people saying yes. So I'll just do the math on 16. So 16 people saying yes to your $497 offer. Oops, let's do it right here. Right? I have to look at my notes. You have just made $7,952 in your half day or your full day event, selling to people at a price point of $497. You've made almost $8,000, all from a couple of networking events and getting people into your event, into your seminar. So I'm going to take it down another deeper level for scenario number 3. Let's say you're speaking on someone else's stage or in front of someone else's room, and it's another live event, okay? But this time, you'll be speaking for an hour, and they're allowing you to make an offer, okay? So you're at someone else's live event, you're speaking for an hour, maybe you're sponsoring it, you've got a booth, and now you're able to nurture the people while they're there for the day or the 2 days or the 3 days or whatever it is. And you're allowed to make an offer. So once again, I want you to make a gift offer. So at this event, let's be conservative. You've got 50 people there. Now we're going to go a little wild and crazy, and you're going to make a slightly bigger offer. Because when you're in a multi-speaker event or you're at an event that's got a lot of hype and buzz, often people are much more open to bigger offers. So let's say this time you're going to make an offer for $997. So just to go back to the gift offer again, remember, you're going to be giving something away for free, so that way you get as many people from the audience to say yes to you that you can nurture them. And we've got another 45 people on your list. Rule of thumb, 1 in 3 people saying yes to your offer. That's 16.66 people, right? Multiply that, and I always do this wrong, 997. And what have you got? You have now made an income of 15 grand, right? All from a 1 hour conversation from one to many. You've made over $15,000. And here's the beauty of this, is that anytime you get people into your pipeline, whether it's from a free or a gift offer, and or you get them from a paid offer, you're now able to nurture them and move people into becoming raving fans, raving followers, so that they stay in your world. And who is not but a better salesperson, but the person that is working with you? Great for testimonials, great for you to build your business by getting the experience of working with people, either one-to-one or in a group setting. So here's what I want you to do, is I want you to download my talk template, because I can promise you, in order to get people to say yes to you, your talk needs to be compelling and riveting, and your offer in the talk needs to be so in alignment with your story, with your content, and with who you are, that people just naturally say yes. Because I know that selling from the front of the room can be really scary, but when you download my talk template, which is odettepeak.com/talk template, I can guarantee you, you're going to have the audience eating out of the palm of your hand, and you're going to make some money. So on that note, I will see you on the other side of your 15K payday and the other side of my talk template. Okay, ciao.